420 Things Grow in Ontario. Back at you guys with another unboxing here. Gotta say thanks to IndoorGrowingCanada.com. They sponsoring the channel here again for another grow. And I got this product at a reduced rate. It's nothing to say bad about IndoorGrowingCanada.com, guys. If you want to go over there, you as a first-time customer, you can sign up for their newsletter, get a $10 off coupon, one-time thing. And then if you use the coupon code 420 Things, that's all one word, 420 Things, they'll give you a discount too. So go check them out. I'm super stoked for this because you guys seen the other grow that I had on the 4x4 tent. I moved everything around in there, I got a little bit going, and I got the quantum board set up and stuff. So I want to try to get a little bit bigger of an area. So reached out to them. As always, you know, they wrap it in this discreet packaging, right? So you don't really know what you're getting. I don't know what this product is going to look like on the box, but again, it's you're not going to know what it is sitting on your front step. That's always good. So yeah. Yeah. So what you got here is the dimensions of the box and the weights and stuff. So it's 44 pounds. It's fairly heavy. One person, if you're strong enough, can lift it. I got somebody else to give me a hand. So what we have here is a Secret Jardin darkroom DR150, 150 by 150 by 235, or 5 by 5 by 7 and 2/3 of a foot, I guess is what that is. So yeah, stoked. Don't cut there, it says, so I won't cut. But yeah, let's open this up and see what this package holds. Whoa, watch out, camera, watch out. Yeah, I can see why you don't want to cut that. The stuff is right there. I also ordered, on a side note, a webbit support. So it's a 5x5 sort of trellis netting. The unit comes with one, but I ordered a second one because I'm always about having a second layer of that stuff, especially when you get some good plants. So yeah, look at this. Comes in its own little bag here, right? Oh, yeah, let's get rid of that. Oh, these little handles. Sweet. I don't know whenever I would use a bag to move my tent, but I guess you're moving and you're shaking. They're all over the place. I guess you could want to use that. There's a lot of extra space in the bag here. Let's get it open and see what we got here. I'm not going to put this up today. This is just a straight unbox and see what comes in it, and see how it's packaged and how everything looks. Alright. Oh, look, it's all plastic, eh? So I had a, what I have, I forget, I don't know, cheap Amazon 4x4. It, just the metal was pretty thin, and the zippers were pretty crappy, and yeah. So anyway, so what we got here is, get this open. The assembly instructions, Pro version here. 8 corner pieces, 6 of these side pieces. Oh, what are those, I wonder? Oh, okay, cool. Hook it, snap it, cable it, pocket it. I guess they're doing all this it stuff, but yeah, pretty straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. 8 of those, 15 of those. They're not those colors, they're just color coordination for it. But yeah, so seems pretty straightforward. So let's Darkroom 240, that's a nice one. Not what I'm looking at, but here. Perfect. So here's that second webbit like I was talking about. I don't know about you guys, but order a second one of those. Always nice to have more than one. Layer of support. Side pieces. There's the bag, I guess, for putting stuff in there. Some other pieces. Cable ties. They give you some cable ties to run your cables all around the outside, kind of hook onto the pipe. That's kind of cool. Get all that stuff back in there. Let's see what we got for poles and stuff like that. It looks like the poles are going to be decently thick, so it should be pretty sturdy. Holy geez, this is, yeah, well, there's all the poles. This material already, you can tell that it's so much more thicker than that tent that I got off of Amazon, the cheap one there. It's, the material's a lot thicker. Sweet. Man, this tent's going to be awesome. So anyway, so that's it, just the tent. Poles. A whole lot of poles there. Work. And the carrying case. So pretty straightforward for an unboxing. My space is pretty tight for install. I don't know if I'll be able to get a video of me installing it. And plus, I'm probably going to get a buddy to come help me do it. I think this is probably a two-man thing. You know what? No, probably not. Because these pieces, they go together and they're going to hold stuff up. So you know what? Maybe I'll try to get some video when I'm installing it and building it. Be on the lookout for that. But yeah, guys, Secret Jardin, 5 by 5 by 7 and a bit foot. This is going to be a nice upgrade for the Grow channel here. That's awesome. Thanks again to IndoorGrowingCanada.com. Man, these guys are good people. So if you got something you need in Canada, go ahead and hit them up. IndoorGrowingCanada.com, and then use the coupon code 420things, all one word, and get yourself a bit of a discount. And yeah, show some love for the channel there. 420things grow. I mean, it's did nothing but good things those last two grows, so this is going to be a nice little one. So be on the lookout, guys. I'll hopefully get a video of this at the very least once it's installed, and all the piping and all the holes and the kind of layout once I get it open. Because I know when I was looking at this, there seemed to be a lot of pipes and ports and stuff compared to that one from Amazon. Man, it only had like 3 or 4. It was very minimal. So these one looks like they actually had some big piping and some big stuff. So I'm excited to get that up and get it in the room. So stay tuned.